Hi, this is your Professor Sudha Kolathuparambil graphing functions. We need to graph y equal 2x plus 1. So we can make table of values to graph this by finding the ordered pair and plotting those points. And we can join this by a line. Domain for this graph is any real number. So I can pick 0, any negative number or any positive number. So I'm taking some nice numbers left and right side of 0. So I'm including 0 and negative 1, negative 2 as well as positive value 1 and 2. Now substitute these values for x to find the corresponding y value. So 2 times negative 2, that is negative 4, plus 1, that is negative 3. Then substitute negative 1. So 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 1, that is negative 1. Then substitute 0. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then substitute 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then substitute 2. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Now write these as ordered pairs. So when x equal negative 3, this is the corresponding y value. When x equal negative 1, negative 1 is the corresponding y value, like that. So other points will be 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 5. Now we are going to plot these points. So when x equal negative 2, so on the x-axis locate negative 2, y is negative 3. On the y-axis negative 3, right? So that is the point, negative 2 and negative 3. Negative 1, 1. So negative 1, 1, negative 1. 0, 1. And 1, 3. So 1, then 3 units up, 2, 5. So locate 2 on the x-axis, then on the y-axis 5. So the point is here. Now join all these points and draw a line. And don't forget to put arrow. And this is the line y equal 2x plus 1. Let's look at another example. We need to graph this. So first we will solve for y. So subtract 3x from both sides. Then divide by 5. So we need to divide each term on the right side by 5. So negative 3 over 5x plus 2. Now we will make table of values to graph this line. So x comma y, we need to find the ordered pairs x, y. I'll pick 0, then I need to pick at least one negative number and one positive number. Then I will substitute that for x to find the corresponding y value. That is the procedure. But if I pick 1 or 2, then I need to deal with the fraction. Then the plotting the point will be difficult. So I want to come up with a nice number. So this x can be any multiple of 5 by looking at the denominator. Then the 5 will cancel and I'll end up with a nice number. So I'm picking the x value as 5 and negative 5. If you want, you can pick 10 and negative 10 or 15 and negative 15, like that. So that the calculation will be easier and you will end up with nice numbers. I am taking negative 5 and 5. Then substitute that for x and calculate. So 5 and negative 5. If you cancel, you will get negative 1. Negative 3 times negative 1 is 3 plus 2, that is 5. Then substitute 0. So negative 3 over 5 times 0 plus 2. So 0 times any number is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Then substitute 5 plus 2. So 5 and 5 cancel. And negative 3 plus 2, that is negative 1. So the points are, or all ordered pairs are negative 5, 5, 0, 2 and 5, negative 1. Now we can plot these points. So negative 5, 5, negative 5, 5 is here, 0, 2, and 5, negative 1. So 5, negative 1. Then join those points using a straight line, and that will be the graph of this equation. Next example, we need to graph y equal x square minus 1. We can find the ordered pairs by making a table. So x can be any real number and corresponding by value is x square minus 1. I am going to pick 0 and few negative numbers and few positive values. Then substitute these values for x to find the corresponding by value. So negative 2 whole square is positive 4 minus 1, that is 3. So the ordered pair is negative 2, 3. Then substitute negative 1. Negative 1 whole square is positive 1 minus 1, that is 0. So negative 1, 0. Then substitute 0. So 0, negative 1. Then substitute 1. That is 1, 0. Then 2 square minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. So when x equal to 2, corresponding y value is 3. Now plot these points to graph negative 2, 3. So when x is negative 2, corresponding y value is 3. So that is the point. And negative 1, 0, negative 1, 0, and 0, negative 1. So 0, negative 1, that is the point. Then 1, 0, and 2, 3. And joined all these. So this is not a straight line. This is the parabola, equation of a parabola. We can pick few more values for x. That means negative 4, negative 5, like that. So you need to put an arrow at the end of the graph because this graph will be still extending on both sides. This is a U-shaped graph and it is known as the parabola. In this example, we need to graph x equal y square. So here x is expressed in terms of y. So we will choose numbers for y, then we will compute the corresponding x value. So we can pick any value for y. It can be 0 or any negative values or positive value. Then substitute these for y. So negative 2 whole square, that is negative 2 times negative 2, that is 4, positive 4. So the ordered pair will be 4, negative 2. Then substitute negative 1. Negative 1 whole square is positive 1. So the ordered pair will be 1, negative 1. Then substitute 0. So the point will be 0, 0. Then substitute 1. The point will be 1, 1. Then substitute 2. X value will be 4. So the ordered pair will be 4, 2. Then you can plot those points and graph. Since we can pick more values for y, put an arrow on both sides. But you can see that this is not a function because it fails the vertical line test. If you draw a vertical line here, it will be crossing through 2 points. If you draw a vertical line anywhere on the right side of 0, 0, you can see that it crossed the graph more than 1 point. So this is not a function.